Hi there, it's Cathy again, and for this episode of Cheap and Single, or How to Be Green on a Budget, I'm going to make the other pesto. Genoa is famous all over the world for the green basil pesto, but this walnut pesto is not as famous and just as good. Now, walnuts are an incredible source of omega-3, protein, and also magnesium, so they should definitely be in your diet. And this is a great way to get kids to eat nuts. Of course, if you don't have a nut allergy. What do you need for this recipe? Walnuts. Now, I have parboiled these before because the skins have a tendency to make the sauce bitter. And if you boil them for about 3 minutes, that doesn't happen. Grated Parmesan cheese. This is probably a good 2/3 cup because there's a lot of nuts here. And then I have some old bread that I have soaked in milk. To flavor it, we have the cheese, a little bit of salt, and marjoram. And that's it. This is a great sauce all year long. It's not cooked. All right, so I'm going to put all the ingredients, can you see that, into my blender. Okay. A little bit more. About, what was that, a tablespoon? Not a tablespoon, a half tablespoon. Teaspoon of salt. And remember, maybe a half a teaspoon of salt because the cheese is pretty salty. Do not buy the gross, nasty cheese from the store, please. All right. And I have my milk handy just in case. My cover. And let's blend away. Not working. Oh, sugar. Gonna add some more milk in there to get it started. I usually do this with my hand blender because I make a smaller quantity, but today somehow I made a big quantity. It's coming though. That's good. Now today I'm going to serve this over some linguine pasta, pero. It's traditionally served over a very special Ligurian ravioli made with lots of greens. So here you are, homemade walnut pesto. Delicious and so easy. See you next time.